Hi, welcome to My Cute Toons with Chalk. Today we're going to draw Cutter from Dragon Rescue Riders. So take your marker and follow along with me. As usual, we're going to start with the eyes. I'm going to draw a big round eye right here. So let's make a big eye right here. Then we're going to draw the pupil. So you can draw a big round pupil right there, and lastly the iris. Now the iris looks sort of like a cat's eye, like that. Let me just change my pen. There we go. And we're going to draw light reflections. So there's one light reflection, there's the other light reflection. And now we're going to jump to the other eye. So first of all, I'm just going to draw the nose. So you're going to draw a little upside down V shape like that, one line shorter than the others, and then right in the middle you're going to draw another line down. So this is going to be the nose of Cutter. There we go. And then from here I'm going to draw a little smile in the nose. But the mouth will not be situated here, it's just for the color. We're going to draw the nostril and the other nostril. There we go, there's two. And now we can draw the eye. So again, a big eye. There we go. The pupil. Good. And then of course the iris. Sort of cat-like iris like that. A light reflection. Maybe a smaller one there. And let's color in the eyes. Now we're going to draw some eyebrows. So right above the eye, right here, I'm just going to draw two lines. Doesn't have to be the same size. One smaller than the other because it's farther away. And then we're going to draw some big eyebrows right there. And on this side, let's do the same thing. There we go. And now we can draw the top of the head. I'm just going to draw the first part of the head here, right there. Because I want to draw some sort of a horn or a knife shape right there, like this. There we go. And let's do it on this side as well, something like this. There we go. And maybe a cutting edge of this knife. So there we go. And then from here I'm just gonna connect it to the eyebrow, and then we're gonna draw, maybe let's draw two spots right here on Cutter's face, or Cutter's face. Now I'm going to draw the side of the head. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to do this like that. And what we can do is actually find a lower point. So I want to first, just to get my distances correct, I'm going to draw that. And then I'm gonna continue. So let's just draw a straight line from there, a curvy line, something like this. And there's the side of the head, and with the same height here. Now what I want to do is I'm gonna draw a smile. So right beneath the nose, I'm gonna draw a little smile like this. And I'll just bring it up to there, like that. And then of course, the side of the face, I'm just gonna draw a line there. And then maybe just a round line like that. There we go. And there's the side of the face. Now there's two spots or three spots. Let's draw three spots right here on his face, just to give it some interest. And now we're going to draw the bottom of the mouth. So that's the jawline. Maybe something like that. And there's Cutter's face. Let's draw horns or knives or whatever we want to call it. So there's one knife right there. Let's draw a smaller one just behind it, like this. Yeah. And let's do one here. So I'm just making it a bit random, and let's make a smaller one, I think right here behind that. There we go. And there's Cutter's face. Now I want to draw the neck. So just beneath the eye, let's say about this distance, I'm just going to draw a round line like this. And then here I'm going to draw another line curving out like that. There we go. Now what I want to do is I actually want to start with I think the best is going to be to start with the wing before we continue with the body. So I'm just going to draw a shoulder, and I'm going to do that, and on top of that I'm going to draw a wing, something like this, because this is a horn. And then let's draw the wing. There we go. There's one. There. Maybe we can draw another one going out like this and connect it there. And then maybe here behind that we can draw maybe another one. So we have these three things. So the skin between the bones of the wing, and I'm just going to bring it on top. So there's a wing for us. There we have a wing. Now let's draw the foot from the wing. I think that's going to be the easiest. So we're going to draw a shoulder for the foot, and I'm just going to draw a line like that. And then let's draw the back of the foot. I'll draw something like this, and I'm just going to bring it up and over like that. So there's a toe. We're going to draw a toe right there, and we're going to draw another one. There we go. And we're going to draw another toe, and so there's the foot. And on the foot let's make maybe 2 spots. Don't want to make too many. So there we have it. Now right behind here we're going to draw sort of a line like that. That's going to be the hind leg, and you're going to draw a foot as well. There we go. With the toe, another one with the toe, and another one with the toe. So there we go, there's a foot. And then so this is the leg. Let's make a few spots there as well, and maybe just one there. Good. Now there's the side. Now what I want to do, I'm going to draw the tail. I think let's continue with the tail area. So right here, that's going to be the easiest. I'm going to draw a tail, and maybe something like that. And then here at the bottom I'm just going to draw another line like this. But what I want to do, I want to draw a few knives on top of his tail as well. So there's one. Maybe I'll draw one here behind that. We can draw another knife here as well. There we go. And I'm just going to draw the tail. There we go. And just a long tail up there. I make it a bit wider there. And I bring it back, and maybe let's draw another knife here, and I'm just going to connect it there, and there we go, there's our tail. Let's draw a quick knife there as well. So that's the left side of cutter. I want to draw a little dot there as well, a spot there. Now we're going to draw the neck area. So I'm going to draw these segments. So there are these segments that we can draw. You can draw as many as you like, but we're going to go down, so we're going to make it a bit smaller. I'm going to make a big segment here, but a bit shorter, and then my last segment there we go. And now maybe we can go through like this, and we can just make a line like that, and there's the body. Right, and now from here what I want to do, I want to draw the other foot. Okay, so I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to draw a mark like this, and then here at the bottom to the back of the leg like this, something like this. And I'm just going to draw a little spot there, and maybe a spot here on top as well. And I'm going to draw the toes. So there's one toe, good, and with a nail. Let's draw the other one. We can maybe draw something like this. There's the other one with a nail. Another one, and then maybe a last one like this. There we go. Good, and there's one foot. And now up here I'm going to draw the shoulder. So I'm going to draw a little shoulder there, the same here, and I'm going to draw the nail. There we go, there's the nail as well. And then we're going to draw the wing. Maybe the wing will go back all the way like this. and maybe to the top, and we're going to draw another one there as well, and maybe just that skin between, and maybe something like this. And there's the other wing. And now for the foot. So we're going to draw another foot here with a toe. There we go. And it's going to go up. We're going to draw another toe, and it's going to go up like that. There we go. And the back of the foot, and maybe something like this. And maybe another toe there as well. Great, and there's Cutter. I think Cutter looks absolutely amazing, and I'm sure yours looks great as well. So now you can take your colors, your crayons and your markers, and you can color Cutter in, and I'm sure Cutter will look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. I'll see you later.